So I rarely make reviews, but first impressions, this thing is already awesome. Long story short, I have 2 bulging discs in my neck and one in my lower lumbar, right on the sciatica. It's no fun. It really takes away from what I was able to do once out on the farm. I could lift a chainsaw, but it's detrimental in terms of the repercussions that it'll cause in terms of flare-ups and such. So on a whim, I went and bought this nice little 8-inch one. I was looking for a 10 or 12, but figured that I'd start smaller just to see how they operate. And this is my farm. It's a lot of work. I'm turning into a venue for weddings. So I'm constantly doing stuff out here beyond being a massage therapist. So my body's always pretty much hurting. This thing is a lifesaver already, I can tell you that. It's got a pretty nifty little button right here. Little tank that shows exactly how much oil is in there. You know, every so often you'll push the oil up button just to keep the bar and the chain lubricated itself. But, you know, for instance, there's lots of Yopon here where I am in Texas. Very thick. There's even post oak, live oak, but I wouldn't be mainly doing any trimming on those, just mainly kind of Yopon and things that I need to clear around the house and the property. But man, this thing is already awesome. You know, I made a little cut and then I was like, man, I'm gonna make a video. So safety first always. You know, you got to engage this little mechanism right on the side prior to starting it, but picks up nice and easy. As you can tell, I mean, like butter. And that's like a really thick Yopon. I mean, truthfully, I can't even grip around this thing fully, and I have really, really big hands. As you can tell, it cut right through it. I stopped early just because I was videoing, and I did not want to do anything in terms of being unsafe, but I highly recommend it, honestly. First time using it, and it's already a game changer. Just be sure to clean it and maintain it, and I could imagine this thing would last quite a while.
Bueno, estoy haciendo este video para que conozcan la calidad de esta sierrita que me compré de 8 pulgadas. La marca es Seesii, algo así. Miren, aquí la tienen. Oiga, esto supera todas las expectativas. Mira, este árbol lo estoy picando yo completo. Y miren con qué facilidad corta esto. Miren, miren. Miren con qué facilidad, no es un engaño ni nada. Miren. Es lo mejor. A mí no me está pagando nada nadie. Lo que yo quiero es que vean la calidad de esto. Miren, todos estos palos los he picado. Estos gajos, todo eso. Y miren la batería cómo está. Miren, la batería ahora en este momento he picado todo eso y miren, yo recomiendo esta sierrita manual por encima de todo. Es mejor hasta que muchas de gasolina y muchas eléctricas de esas que venden.